Hey guys, welcome back. I have got an unboxing for you. So I have got some Fancy Pants design goodies. I am on their design team and I'm so excited to have the brand new stuff that is out. So let me show you a couple of things. Now, let's see, I'm going to show you the Home Cafe collection kit in a second, but guys, have you seen how cool these little globes are? So you've got this nice clear plastic globe with an inset, but what you can also do is you can get the cutting die, and this is a collab with Coco and Reno, and you can create a little scene with the deer and the foliage, and I cannot wait to play with that. So I've got these two things, and then I have got a mini book cutting die. Oh my gosh, how cute. I have so much fun creating mini books. And then for my last thing to show you in the die world is this is a cutting die, and it's to make like ruffles, but we also have fish tail banners. Two different sizes, super excited about that. Now let's jump into the Home Cafe collection kit. I want to show you all the things because I have two projects I want to play with this today. All right, so included in the kit are 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock papers, two each of 6 designs, as well as a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, 43 pieces. Ooh, okay, so that's our promo info. So let me get the sticker sheet out of the way as well, because I want to show you that in a minute. All right, so our first piece of paper is this one here, and this is all Home Cafe. This is called Home Bakery. And we've got these really large florals on a nice crisp white background. Love the color palette. It is so fresh, so clean. I think it is perfection. So we have that. The back side of that piece of paper. Ooh, so it's like this great, almost like between like a creamy teal and a sea foam, and we've got all kinds of baking icons. We've got a bucket of strawberries, a cake dome, like mixing bowls. So cute, love that. Our next piece of paper, this one is called Baked with Love. Look at all the hearts and the little circles. So we've got the hearts going up that way, hearts going down that way. Really fabulous piece of paper. Love that dark denim blue tone. Next, we have got ourselves a nice mustard yellow. Really interesting design. Sorry, I was shutting my office door really quick. Really nice, kind of cool design. Like if you have it going this way, you have like this little wavy dot pattern, or it can trickle down this way. Very cool. Love that tone. The next piece, this is called Retro Kitchen. Guys, I want to cut all of these out and make a giant floral. Love this pop of blue in the center. Super pretty. And then the back side to that. Ooh, here's that pop of blue, but we've got the icons again. They're very large. Love this mixing bowl. That is amazing. Oh my gosh, I mean, this mixer, so cool. But guys, there's so many things to fussy cut, to play with. All of the wonderful things. This next one is called Country Pears, and I have some of the cheesiest titles playing in my head already to go with this one. Love this. It's a little bit more of a subdued pattern. The flip side to that is this gorgeous stripe. They're imperfectly, like, they look painted. Is that what I mean? See how they're just a little bit on the wonk? Very pretty. Our next piece of paper, this one is called Fruit Salad, and there's these sweet little strawberries on a nice pink background, which I love. I just love them. The flip side to that one is this paper right here, and we have all kinds of absolutely gorgeous fruit. So we've got giant strawberries. I think they're all strawberries. And the florals are probably strawberry flowers. So beautiful. And I love it that we're getting the pinks and we're getting these orangey tones, and it's on a really nice neutral gray background. Okay, then our last piece of paper for me to share with you. This one is called Strawberry Kitchen. And this piece has my heart. It's my favorite paper in this collection. I have a plan for this like today. So love this piece of paper. Totally doing like the strawberry pink with like a vanilla color strawberries on it. And the flip side, it's this really deep, rich color. All of those icons we're seeing again with just Exquise color palette. Now the stickers that come with this, and there's a nice perforated line down it. So if you are into that, you can go ahead and just fold them down the perforation. But I kind of like to see everything, so I'm going to leave it out. So we've got really nice stickers. Keep calm and bake on. The kitchen is the heart of the home. Live, love, bake. Mixing bowls, utensils, all of the regular things. There's that mixer that I am so digging. Look at Home Cafe. So that is our stickers. So that's what comes in the collection kit. Now, available also is a set of enamel dots that are just Exquise, all of the colors in the collection, and you get tons. You get 60 of them. So that is super fantastic. And then there's a 69 piece set of ephemera. So this is what they look like if you are not into complete unboxings, but I am. So let's take a really nice look together. And guys, I know they're gonna fly everywhere because there's so many little pieces and they are wonderful. Come on guys, everybody come out. Everybody come out. Okay. So let's see if we can get through this kind of with some form of order. Come on guys, come down. All right, let's start here. Our sweet little mixing bowl, a stack of hearts. What's that? Oh, look at that, an oven mitt. That looks like a salt or pepper shaker, a little candle, a whisk, and a spoon. So definitely things that you guys can go ahead and layer all up. Found another candle, guys. So you can do a little birthday layout, little celebration. We've got a heart. And this is a triangle piece again. I don't know, are those supposed to be like salt and pepper shakers? I'm not quite sure. A floral. A little orangey container. Kind of looks like a sugar container. Another floral. A little bucket of strawberries. A pretty little heart. A cupcake liner. More florals. Here is this beautiful little cake dome. An apron. Oh, a colander. Cute. Little florals, little cupcake liners. Look at these little measuring cups. We have got Happiness is Homemade, a sweet little strawberry, a retro kitchen, little Starburst. Let's see, Home Cafe. And then I've got a mixing bowl and a rolling pin. Eat cake for breakfast. Okay, I had a scone for breakfast. A little mixing bowl. Here's a nice little ticket. Oh, it's like a, it's both a tag and a library card. Or a library, you know, like when you check out books and they put it in the thing back in the day. Homemade bakery. A kitchen scale, way cuter than mine. A little floral. A citrus squeezer. Little plant. What's this one say? Baker's Gonna Bake. That might be my title for my first one. I'm gonna keep it aside. Cooked with Love. A little cupcake liner again. A sweet little floral. We have got a measuring cup or a pitcher. A little bow. A mixer. A whisk and a candle. What's this? Oh, is it like an envelope? I'm not quite sure. We have, oh, is that a piping tip? I think that's a piping tip. And then time to bake. A floral piece. I'm sorry if anybody was yelling at me, telling me it's a piping tip. Let's bake. I'm going to keep that one out too. I need titles. We have a rolling pin. A cute little oven. Food. Food. Live, love, bake. Cute. I'm going to keep that one out too. I don't know what I want to use. A strawberry. A container of sprinkles. More sprinkles. Florals. Leafy bits and a strawberry. Some sprinkles. A heart. A nice little icon piece with cutlery. A little bud. And a little jar for flour or sugar. So guys, that's what I have here for my Home Cafe kit. I showed you my sweet little cutting dies as well as my cute little globe. I can't wait to play with all these things, guys. What else do I have to tell you? You guys can see these collections as well at fancypantsdesigns.com. And that's what I have for you guys today. I'm going to get creating. Guys, have the best day. See you ever so soon with another video. Bye, guys.